Do you need web hosting? This is what I want to talk to you about in this video. So, hi, my name is Tim. Welcome to my channel. And in today's video, I want to show you what web hosting is and if you need web hosting. So first, let's go over what is web hosting. So web hosting is basically a computer or a server, a bigger computer that's located anywhere in the world and that can store all your data or the website data. So your sites, your files, your images, your videos, and also your database. So, and this computer or server is literally a computer with RAM and with a CPU inside, and that is connected with the domain name. And this computer is also connected with the internet. So when somebody want to go to your website, enter your URL name, and then he gets redirected to the URL, and the URL redirects to the specific computer that's connected 24/7 with the internet. And yeah, so I made a little presentation. Let me show you. Okay. On this presentation, I want to show you some website services, some companies and some programs that require hosting or didn't require hosting. So let's go first with the services where you don't need to buy any external hosting. For example, WordPress.com is a service where you can register, sign up, and build your website online with a page builder tool. And the same goes for Shopify. Shopify is a huge platform where you can create your own online store, and therefore you don't have to have an external web hosting service. So Shopify and all the others in the list are offering their own hosting. So you simply have to sign up and pay the monthly fee, and then you don't have to worry about hosting or any kind of setup. So this goes with WordPress.com, with Shopify, with Wix, with Squarespace and Weebly. And I think maybe you have heard of this, or you would want to build your website or your online shop with one of these platforms, then you don't need hosting. And for example, I have some services here or some software where you need external hosting. So this is, for example, WordPress.com. This is the WordPress software you can download to your computer and then install on your external hosting and on your external hosting and connect with your domain name. And then we have PrestaShop. PrestaShop is another open source program or software where you can build online shops. And Joomla is almost the same like WordPress. Joomla is also an open source software where you can build websites, blogs, or even shops. The same goes for HTML. If you want to build an HTML website, then you need some kind of space where you can store these HTML files on. And in this case, you need external web hosting service. And the same goes for Typo3. Typo3 is a content management system as well. So you download Typo3 and install it on the hosting space. And so let me show you real quick what kind of hosting there is and what I can recommend you and what do you need. So let me show this to you real quick. So for example, now we are on my favorite hosting service company. So I build a lot of websites and online shops because I do this for a living, and I have to buy and register domains all the time. So this is my preferred hosting company. You can see with this hosting company we have 4 different type of website hosting packages here. You can see the smallest one is from $2.99 and the most expensive is from almost $50 US. And they are literally the same. They are all offering a computer somewhere in the world or a server, and this computer has a hard drive where all the website files can be stored. And also the computer has RAM and a CPU, and this is what makes them different. So for example, the startup package has a not so good CPU and not so much RAM like the turbo packages here. But if you want to build a simple website, or your company website, or your personal website, or even an online shop, then this is the startup package for $2.99, for example, per month is more than enough, because I choose all the time the startup package, because even the startup package can run large online shops and large websites. So of course it is not the fastest, but do you need that much CPU power or RAM? Then if you want to have a really fast website, of course, then I can recommend one of these turbo packages. And for example, here with this web host, you get one website domain, you get 100 gigabyte of storage, so you can store all your website files, your HTML files, your images, your videos. You can store on this hosting company. And they store it there and then connect it to the internet. And I think this is more than enough, 100 gigabyte, because most of the space you are using on your hosting company is for images and videos. So HTML files and CSS files and PHP files are not that big. So the main storage goes for images and videos. And some other features here is you get unlimited email accounts, so you can make unlimited email addresses. You get 24/7 support via phone, live chat, and email. And the cool thing here is you get a free SSL certificate. This means can you see this little lock here in front of the domain name? So this means this website has an SSL certificate. This means this website is secure. The connection between the user and the server is secure. So if you don't have SSL, then we would have here a warning, or when you want to visit the website and the website doesn't have SSL, then you will get a warning that this website connection is not secure. So always look for an SSL certificate, a free SSL certificate, and this is the best. Yeah, so if you are searching right now for an hosting company, this is just my recommendation. I go with this company, or especially the startup package here all the time. If you want to check it out, I put the link in the video description. You can see it, you can check it out there, and compare the packages. And so let's conclude it. Do you need hosting? Do you need hosting? It depends. So if you want to have a WordPress website, a WordPress.org website, then of course you need external hosting like this package. But if you want to build a website with an online service like Wix, Squarespace, Weebly, and or WordPress or .com, then you don't need external hosting, because this hosting is included in the packages. You sign up with Wix or Weebly or something like this and pay your monthly fee, and this is included, so you don't have to worry about the best hosting package. So they manage everything for you. But if you want to have a professional website or a professional online shop with WordPress or PrestaShop or Typo3, then you need an external hosting company or hosting contract where you can install WordPress and store all your data. So I hope you found this video a little bit informative. If so, then please give me a thumbs up, and I also would appreciate if you sign up to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I will publish more and more helpful videos about WordPress, WooCommerce, and so on. And thank you very much for your time. Thank you very much for watching my video, and see you in the next video. Bye.